Welcome to Meda's Intuition. Today, let us try to understand how the planets move according to the Vedic astrology. The most important planet in the chart are always the sun and the moon, but the movement of sun is what determines the position of the other planets in the chart. Before knowing the way the sun moves in the chart, let us look at the way Vedic chart is made and how it is given directions. Keep in mind, the houses do not change. The only thing that changes is Rashi. So, the first house is always the east, the 10th house is always the south, the 7th house is always the west, leaving the 4th house to be the north. Now that we know the direction of the chart, let's look at how the sun moves in the chart. So, in the Vedic astrology, the houses are counted counterclockwise, but the sun moves in the clockwise direction. And as you know, sun rises in the east. So every morning, right at the sunrise, sun would be right in the first house and stay there approximately 2 to 2.5 hours. And move to the 12th house, stay in the 12th house for about 2 to 2.5 hours, and move to the 11th. And right before sunset, the sun would reach the 7th house. Now, the movement of the house would be also defined by the kind of season the person is born in. So if someone is born during summertime, they would have sun for approximately 2.5 hours in one house until sunset, because the days are long, and vice versa during winter.